So far, Siena is one of the best places to be because of how diverse people come in and enjoy and they dig in the Bengali culture, the outfits, books, khawar dawar, moshla, coffee and adda. I love it. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. I'm on my second day of periods after a really long time. So I have PCOD. And I keep talking about PCOD because of how unaware people are, especially girls. I'm just trying to make myself feel better. ছোটবেলায় তো স্কুলে আর এগুলো পড়ে যেতে পারতাম না, তো ভাবতাম বড় হলে রোজ বাড়িতে বা কাজে আমি কাজল পরবো। আমার মনে হয় সবারই একটু ওভাবেই শুরু হয়। আমরা একটু চাই আমাদের কিছু কিছু ফিচার্সকে একটু এক্সেন্টুয়েট করতে। এটা একটা প্যাট্রিয়ার্কাল সোসাইটিতে না আগে খুব নিচু করে দেখা হতো, আর সেই রকমই এটা সোসাইটিতে বড় হওয়া, ফ্রি হয়ে থাকার, ইন্ডিপেন্ডেন্টলি থাকার স্বপ্ন শুরু হয়। ইজ মাই লাঞ্চ মেকিং আউটফিট উইথ ঘর কা চক্কর। I cooked rice in the morning. These are some of the leftovers from what Ma had sent a few days back. I'm gonna make something out of it. Here I have chingri machher bharta. Here I have veggies, like well cooked panchmeshali sabji. To kill the heat, the best top dal. Since I've gotten this, life has been easier. Ooh, this is the finished result. Rice, omelette, tok dal, chingri ভর্তা দিয়ে পাঁচমিশালি সবজি এবং লিটল আচার। ইটস সো হট ইন কলকাতা। ইটস ব্রিজি, হাওয়া আছে কিন্তু তারপরে বহুত গরম লাগছে। তো এনিওয়ে এখন আমরা খাবো। The cafe is really crowded. Balcony. Oh no, we are highly disappointed by the first cup of coffee. The barista forgot to put sugar in it. Even after mentioning specifically how we want the milk to be a little warm, sachet of brown sugar. Waiting for the next one. We have been here before. We love the coffee, so we keep ordering the same coffee, flat white. And I think I'm gonna start this series where we are going to try flat white in every single cafe in Kolkata, and we are going to rate them because it's like a fun challenge. Like have a little cup of coffee, have your date with you, and just enjoy coffee in general. Flat white is finally here. This is the second cup. Let's try it out and rate 5 out of 5. We didn't get to shoot a lot of the things in the cafe right now because of a lot of restrictions. The cafe is really crowded. We are at Siena Cafe in Hindustan Road, and this is one of the most craziest places to be if you are out in South Kolkata. And Srishti, who we met front door, was amazing. She helped us find this beautiful spot, which we have taken at this moment. And we could only take like few stuff. This is my first time in a cafe shooting, so I also could not take much. I could not talk much. Yeah, I'm just trying to get the hang of vlogging. So let me show you the cafe around and come back to this. I love this. If you guys watch Bong Eats on YouTube, then you would know Amar Khamar is theirs, and I love it. They have Aam Shotto as well. Adulting is fun when you get like really good quality turmeric and pachforon. This is heaven. Fried red chili. This is what we need. Amar Khamar. Super cool. I want everything. so cute. Look at that. Ta-da! Mirror. This is yet another building transformed and refurbished into a cafe, come restaurant and a bar. Gifted by a fellow fashion model, Srijita. We should take a sighting capsule back. I love beautiful interior. This is made out of like cement and forgetting the terminology for this one, but very sustainable. Flat white. Flat white is finally here. This is the second cup. Let's try it out and rate 5 out of 5. Yeah, we definitely have tried better. I think the consistency of milk is a little runny. So I think out of 5. Not that I'm a coffee expert, but I'm just a consumer trying to read. I think 4. Yeah, 4 out of 5. And I think they could make better flat whites. We definitely had better ones in roastery. Look how many people are waiting outside. Just got out of Sienna, and I'm going to be honest now. So far, I think Sienna has a lovely vibe, and they're constantly redesigning their menu, and their menu is literally getting expensive day by day. You have to decide. It could be a one-time place for you, or it could be your daily go-to coffee run, because the coffee is good. Could have been better, as in the flat white could have been better. We have had better flat whites before. And I would also like to say that I'm not a coffee expert, but I have been working with coffee brands for the last 2 years. I've been the face of a roastery coffee house India before, and I do have a very soft spot for them mainly because of the coffee and the process they have, and as an ambassador I got to learn more about them. If you like my vlogs so far, don't forget to subscribe. So as I was saying, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel and must visit Sienna. Please subscribe.